What's goody, what's poppin', y'all? Welcome back to another video. Today we'll be going over to the shop. The cage is officially done. We actually only got like 2 bars to put left in the cage, so it's semi done, but we're still gonna do that. We're just waiting on 1/8" plate to come in the mail. That way we'll be able to weld the last 2 bars on. But Kevin knocked the whole cage out, did a great job. So right now we have to head over to the storage. We got to grab the nitrous bottle so we can fit the brackets in. We got the parachute in the back seat, that way we can throw all that stuff in too as well. And we also have to pay the man for doing my cage. Then we're gonna do all the wiring. I started most of the wiring while the dash wasn't in the car, so it made life a little easier for me. So now we're gonna head over to his shop so we can finish up the wiring, get the car started today. I also got to go grab some oil. I'm gonna show y'all where I get my oil from, man, because you know a lot of people don't know about places that give you cheap oil, you know what I'm saying? So we're gonna head over to my place of where I get my oil, and I'll show y'all how much cheaper the oil is compared to, like, you know, the normal places people probably buy their oil. So all right guys, so we're in Walmart. Like I said, this is my special spot where I go to get oil. Oil is always cheaper here than buying it like at an auto store. I can show y'all when we get over there. So let's head over there real quick. Let me find it first. All right guys, so they have an oil section. Depending on what Walmart you go to, I tend to buy the Valvoline oil because mostly that's the only one that comes in like the 10 W30. That's what we run in my Honda. So I'll get this one right here. It's 26 bucks for the Mobile One. But like I said, I normally get the Valvoline. That's the one I normally get. Oh no, it's right here. But it's $29 today. What the heck? We grabbed a lot of the stuff that we need to finish our Honda. Nitrous bottle, seat, coolant little thing for it. So we're gonna head over to my boy Kevin's shop. We're gonna try to finish off the Civic. We might not be able to get all the wiring done because I have a part coming that's supposed to replace the whole radio bezel. So I got a part, so we will be able to get like the parachute on and stuff like that. So I gotta get all this stuff over there so we can get this thing all done. I also did buy that oil, as y'all saw, but I didn't show y'all. I got a hard cover for my truck. We'll talk about that in like a later video, maybe, or maybe the next video later on. We'll talk about it soon. Right now, let's head over to the shop so I can show you the cage in the Honda. All right guys, so we're here. I changed my shirt. Don't mind that. We're here. I grabbed a bunch of snacks and stuff to give Kevin. So we're gonna take these into the shop, and then I can show y'all everything that we've done on the car so far. So let me get these inside, and then we'll continue with that. We're getting all the stuff buttoned up. We got the dash in the car. The whole cage is put in except the bars that goes here. We're gonna come back and do that later. But the dash is literally put in, and then as we were sitting here, Kevin says the demon's pulling up for a baseline, so you guys are gonna be able to see that in a couple seconds. He's currently getting on the fucking dyno right now, so that Dodge Demon.
No time.
Hell yeah.
Hey Kevin, you can activate that inner chiller for the blower. You hit it again, it'll make more power. It's through the AC system. I forgot how to do it. We're over here getting our stuff done while Kevin's over there playing with that's the name. This is Kevin. I really haven't shown no videos of Kevin. He's the owner of Boom Fabrication. He's the one that did the whole cage and everything. Right now, like I said, I'm getting the dash all wired up and everything back in so we get the car started. So came out nice. Yeah, I told you that inner chiller works. So we made 723.
Let's go! I was right. I was so right.
What did it make the first time? 690 something.
More than we all bet on. Yeah, no, you get like 25 bucks.
Yeah, it's $5
There
for
was like
everyone.
5 of us.
Let's go. Hey, the next time I come.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, we got all our gauges in right now. Everything's wired up. What I want to do is I want to put a jump pack on the car. That way we're able to see if everything's working. I want to first unplug my fuse for my fuel pump. But I have the seats in, everything's all wired up. I even wired up our little nitrous purge solenoid for right now. And I'm gonna wire up the next one too. The regular nitrous solenoid. Oil's in the car. Kevin even made us this like nice little downpipe to go straight to the ground. See if I can get it to zoom in there. Come on now. It's a nice little, see, you go straight to the ground. He made me that as well. He's over there right now working on a turbo. I don't know what it is, Yukon or something like that. But he's working on that. But other than that, we're gonna try to get this car all fixed up. That way when we put the jumper box on it, it should start the car, not start the car, but turn the car on so we can see everything. So let me get the jumper box. All right. So now I'm in the car. All right, guys. So I'm in the car. Car works. Everything works electronically. Kind of changed around a lot of things, a lot of wires. I can show y'all right now. Everything's everything's working. Oil pressure, boost, everything's working. Even like my little shift light that was wired wrong is working now. Next thing I have to wire up is the nitrous. I have to clean up all the shavings and stuff over here, vacuum them out, and then put our seat on this side, and then get all my other panels in here so I can cover up all this terrible wiring job I did. It looked like a rat nest under there, but it works. So try to fix all that stuff, you know, get everything all cleaned up, get this all ready. Kevin's still working on that car, and then he's gonna start working on his Subaru. We still got to put the parachute a little wire in here still. It has to go up here, but I need to go get a bolt, so I'm actually gonna take this with me so we can get a bolt for that. But man, got a cage now, guys. Like, it's crazy. It's like in there, all this stuff. The whole car's changed. You got chop these still. We got nitrous getting put into the car. Like, now we're officially going race car, and it's crazy. But man, almost we're almost done. So one step at a time. Car did start up too. Wasting battery. Car did start up, no problem too. So we just gotta wire in our switch panel that we got. Matter of fact, let me show you the switch panel. So we got our nitrous here, our bottle brackets right there. That's for the nitrous is gonna bolt in over there. And then we got a switch panel. One switch panel like Amazon. We don't use this thing, but our other panel is not here yet. We don't know when it's gonna get here, so I might just wire this up and then just throw it in the car for now. I'll put it in there somewhere just for now. Just have it in here, but I'm gonna figure out, it's just gonna be for my nitrous and my bottle heater, and then for our fans. So try to figure this thing out. I don't know what I'm gonna do right now, so once we get this all situated, we'll be able to get this in. So right now I'm probably gonna head out, getting tired. Still got to get those seat brackets in too, and then we got our parachute. It's actually going to be on the car now. We still got to paint the other piece for it, and then we got to figure out a way to paint the gauge. Oh, bless me. But yeah, we got all our panels, everything we got to still throw on. A bunch of stuff, but it's almost done. Trying to hit the track this Friday, or 2 days from now. I'm trying to hit the track. That way we can see what the car actually runs when it's gutted. Hopefully I can drive it. We'll see. So I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.